You know when you put on a dress and you're like, heck to the yes, this is the dress. You do not want to take it off. You feel like a boss. You feel so put together. You feel so good. Well, I have those dresses here for you today. Everything will be linked down below. This is part of a mini series, so I will have all the dresses linked in case you missed any. I have something for everything this spring and summer. If you're brand new here, I'm 41 years young and I have 4 kids, ages 5 through 12, and I work full time. I love pieces that make you look put together, but that do not break the bank. Starting off with this black dress, can I just tell you the quality of this material is so good. It is stretchy, but it also is really nice and thick, so it's going to cover any of those bumps and curves that you may not want to show off. I also love the one shoulder detail with this gorgeous, beautiful, oversized ruffle, although I don't really think it's oversized. It just fits the dress perfectly. It also has the sweetheart top here with the one shoulder detail. Beautiful, high quality zipper in the back, which I love. So stretchy, so comfortable. I cannot say enough good things about this dress. I also love the slit at the front. You can wear this for so many different occasions. And you can never go wrong with a classic black dress. And this one's so fun, girly, and elevated all at the same time. I love this dress. It's sort of this beautiful, dainty dandelion color with the beautiful flowers and the ruffles, the spaghetti straps, and the straps are fully adjustable so you can make it as comfortable as you want. And all these dresses pretty much come in a lot of different color options, so if you don't love the color that I'm showing you here today, chances are there's one that you're gonna love. I love the length on this. This is also very forgiving because of the material. The ruffles are so fun, girly, and vibrant, and oh so chic all at the same time. Oh my gosh, I am obsessed with this dress. This is by the brand Zessica. I own a lot of the Zessica pieces because they're just really great quality, not just for dresses. But can we just talk about the off the shoulder detail? It also has this nice sort of elastic but grippy material here, so that's going to stay put. I felt so elegant, so beautiful when I put on this dress. I don't have a lot of dresses in this blue color. In fact, not a lot of clothing in this color. So I just was yes, yes, and yes. The flowers are gorgeous. It also has a lot of give in it. And all of these dresses that I purchased here today are in a size small, and I am 5'7". I love this. I'm going to some fancy sort of dinners coming up this spring and into the summer. Actually, it'll be summertime. Oh my gosh, time is flying. Thumbs up if you can relate to me on that one. So I'm thinking this is definitely going to be in the lineup. This next dress is by the brand Pretty Garden. I also love the one shoulder detail. Just so elegant. Adds a touch of chicness, sophistication, and just an element of interest. It has the adjustable spaghetti straps here. It has this silky inspired material, which I love. You feel like you're in pajamas, but you're also very chic. You know that movie How to Lose a Guy in 10 Days with Kate Hudson, that beautiful blonde? You know, she wears that yellow beautiful dress at the end. Well, this material is giving me those vibes. A fun hot pink dress. I also really love the neckline on this one. The dress is simple but very beautiful. It zips in the back. It is nice and stretchy. I think the neckline on this really just makes the dress and the pop of color. I don't have a ton in this, but whenever I see somebody in this color, my eyes are immediately drawn to it because of how beautiful and vibrant and lively it is. You could wear this dress to so many different occasions depending upon what you pair it with, the shoes, the accessories, and sometimes the most simple dresses can tend to be the most beautiful. You can never go wrong or have too many eyelet dresses in your repertoire and wardrobe. I just love them. This is by a brand that is new to me. I think it's pronounced Rumia, something like that, but it looks very similar to some Pretty Garden dresses that I've showed in some previous videos. I love the V-neck detail, so you could showcase some of your favorite jewelry should you want to. I also really like the length on this, so it can show off a little bit more leg, because a lot of these dresses that I'm actually showing you here today are midi or maxi length, which is wonderful, but I also love this as an alternative. You could even dress this down a little bit if you wanted to pair it with some white sneakers. If you're traveling, you're going to do a lot of walking, you're on a beautiful European vacation, or if you're just in your everyday and you have a function coming up or an event or a brunch or something, this dress is wonderful. This dress I put on, I love the color. Something about this purple and this pink and this orange, and a lot of give in this dress as well. So if you're not feeling your best self in the midsection region, it's definitely going to cover that. Spaghetti strap detail. I also love the neckline. This is a dress that you barely even have to wear a bra with because of the fabric and the material. It's just very flowy, very elegant. The colors speak for themselves. I think that's what really drew me to this dress. and the fact that I put it on and I did not want to take it off because it's so comfortable. This next red dress, the material is nice and thick. The straps are fully adjustable on this. There's a zipper in the back. I love the square neck on this. Very flare, very fun. I've shown similar dresses that are a little bit more casual, European inspired. And so when I saw this in the red version, but a little bit thicker, I was, yes, all for it. Pair this with black, white, gray, even some polka dot could be cute. A mesh kitten heel would also look really beautiful with this red dress. This is definitely a power dress. This next one is actually a two-piece set. This is probably one of my top 3 in this collection that I'm showing you here today. I cannot remember if this comes in multiple colors, so we're going to put it on screen if it does, because I have to know. I want them all. This is perfect. This is definitely coming with me this summer for the events that I have going on. I love the neckline on this. I love the shoulder detail. I love that it's 2 pieces, but you wouldn't necessarily know that it's 2 pieces. The skirt is nice and high-waisted, so I think it really accentuates some of your best assets, if you know what I mean. It's a silky inspired material, which looks very elegant, very put together. And this green color, earthy, effortless, calming energy is what I'm getting from this. I'm so happy with this. This next dress is super versatile. It reminds me of the East Coast. It reminds me of a European vacation. It's more of a casual dress, if you will, but you could really elevate this depending upon where you're going and what you're doing. This is by the brand Pretty Garden. I love the neckline on this. Pair this with a jean jacket or a white sweater over your shoulders. You can even add a belt to this, which would look really beautiful. The length on this is wonderful, very flowy, very effortless. You could wear this to a brunch. You could wear this to an event. You could wear this to basically anything because of the material on this, the look of this, and how you can elevate it or make it a little bit more casual. Ballet flats with this dress could even look really beautiful. Oh, this next dress, I love this. I have a conference coming up, so this is going to be a dress that I'm going to be wearing. I'll probably put a blazer, maybe a fun white blazer over top, roll the sleeves up, wear a nice comfortable heel or even a ballet flat with this, and then depending on time, I can transition this dress really nicely into the evening. I'd put a little bit taller heel on there. I'm thinking a pointed toe black. I love the gold detail right here. Oh, so beautiful. And then the neckline on this. So this is a dress that you can really do a lot with. It's very stretchy material, so it's very comfortable, perfect for the summer. Professional, understated, but very elegant. Oh my word, this next dress, I felt like a mermaid. So beautiful. I didn't know if I would love this when I saw it on the rack, but then when I put it on, I was like, heck to the yes. I absolutely love this dress. And can we talk about this green color here? I do not have a ton of this color. I absolutely love it. The length on this, the ruffles, it's very flowy. I also love the neckline. There's a lot of give, a lot of room in this dress. I guarantee you, if you were to wear this dress, you're going to get compliments nonstop about it. It's so fun. It's so playful. And definitely a dress when you put it on, it's so comfortable, you are not going to want to take it off. This next dress is similar to the 2-piece one that I previously showed you, so I wanted to give you some options. Very beautiful neckline as the previous one. Love the shoulder detail, and it also has a nice tie here that you can do a lot with. You can make it a little bit tighter. You could put this in a bow. You can do a little knot like I have done here. You can cinch this at the waist. You could do a lot with this. Very flowy, very effortless, very comfortable. This is also a dress that I think is very versatile depending upon where you're going and the accessories that you pair it with. In fact, I could even wear this one to the conference depending upon the shoe and the blazer that I put with this. I love this dress. I think it's the orange and the pink and how it just fits. I think this fits my frame very nicely. You know, again, one of these dresses I put on, I'm like, I'm gonna just hang out in this because it's so beautiful. I love the length. This is by the brand Pretty Garden. They make amazing high quality dresses. This is also coming with me on my trip. I actually have several trips planned for this summer, work related, non-work related, very versatile dress. I could wear this with my family if we're doing a nice dinner out. I could wear this to a lunch or a brunch. I could also wear this to a conference after dinner because, you know, those sorts of things. There's usually lots of dinners involved and you want to have nice, comfortable dresses that you just feel really good in. I put this on. I felt awesome. Another beautiful black dress. This one, very elevated because of the shoulder detail, but it has pockets, which is really fun. I love the length on this. Material feels really, really nice on the body. If you want to cover some areas that you're not, you know, feeling that great about in the moment, maybe it's that time of the month, maybe you're going through menopause or perimenopause and, you know, things just aren't feeling like they should be feeling. This is the perfect dress, but still very elegant, very beautiful because of the cut on it. And anytime you can do something fun fun here with the shoulders, you're covered. This dress here, very versatile, beautiful navy blue with the sheer sleeves here, which I love, especially if it's a little bit cooler in the evening, or you're brunching, or you're going to a concert inside, or you're going to a ballet or something fun planned for the summer. V-neck detail, the front snaps open, so this is easy on, easy off, which I love. In fact, anytime I can put a dress on through my feet rather than having to put it on over my head, you know, getting, you know, possibly transfer of makeup or your hair getting messed up, I'm all for that. And this dress fit that category. Very flowy, very effortless, just understated yet beautiful. I apparently am loving this green color. So this dress, I love the cut on this, very basic, but because of how this dress is designed, I think it takes this dress up another notch. There's a lot that you can do with this one. I think what I'm realizing here, I just really love this style of dress, sort of a maxi dress with a beautiful neckline. You can take this dress up a couple notches depending upon the accessories that you pair it with. I'm really envisioning like gold chunky jewelry, bracelet, necklace, earrings with this, maybe even a really beautiful gold heel. But if you wanted to downplay it a little bit more, a ballet flap would look wonderful with this. You could even wear maybe a little jean jacket or a cute little blazer with this one. A lot of different possibilities. Oh my word, this next one, I had it hanging up and I was like, it's cute and it's beautiful and it's pretty, but how will I feel when I put this dress on? And when I put this dress on, I felt like a beautiful cupcake and not like a cheesy, weird, like, I don't know, outdated. What I'm trying to say is this, it's giving me cupcake vibes, but when I put it on, I felt beautiful. This is by the brand Zessica. I also love the top detail here. You don't even have to wear a bra with it. You can just wear some nippies or some cakes with it. Very comfortable, very fun, great for a wedding guest, maybe even a graduation. You could make this a date night dress or even a brunch dress, depending upon the accessories that you pair it with. I mean, really the accessories, the shoes, the handbag, the jewelry that you pair these pieces with can really up level the dress, if you know what I mean, or make it a bit more casual. Oh, this dress. I saw it in the hanger. I was like, I don't know, nothing great about it. And then I put it on. I was like, okay, now I can see why. This dress made me feel like a Grecian goddess. And I'm loving this color green. Spaghetti straps, so they're fully adjustable. This is just hugging you in all the right places, making the booty look good. It's just a dress I want to hang out with. I want to be with. I love this. I don't yet know where I'm going with this dress, but I'm envisioning like a date night. Something that's feeling very sultry, sort of regal. I love it. There's something about this dress that's giving me sort of Kim Kardashian vibes. Now, I'm not like a huge fan. I certainly can appreciate and respect, you know, where they have come from. I mean, I watched an entire Netflix series on them, but those are sort of the vibes that this is giving me. And I think it's because of how it hugs the body. Oh, this fun dress right here feels so good on the body. I love the neckline on this. It zips all the way up in the back. I love this material and I love when there's ruffles and ruches, because it really can hide any areas but really hug you in all the right places, if you know what I mean. This is a little bit of a shorter dress, so you can really show off your leg a little bit more should you want to. And this beautiful sky blue color, it just makes me happy. It just makes me feel stress-free, very airy. There's a lot you can do with this dress as well. Graduation, weddings, bridal shower, baby shower, date night, brunch, check, check, check. And last but not least, this dress right here, I am absolutely obsessed. I don't exactly know where I'm wearing it yet, but this is in my closet. I will let you know. I will post it on Instagram at Andrea Jean Co. Make sure you follow me there because I post every single day. Also on Facebook at Andrea Jean Co. This blue color won me over, and this beautiful detail here on the shoulder. It fits, hugs the body in all the right places, just hugs the booty a little bit, but also very elegant at the same time. It's airy, it's flowy, it's a dress like I don't even know if I've ever tried anything on quite like this, at least that I can remember. The quality on this dress is absolutely amazing, impeccable. I can't even believe it's on Amazon. I'm obsessed. And then I also think, can we just make a top, like cut it off below the waist area? And I would be so appreciative of that as well. But the fact that it's also a dress, like stunning. Okay, I definitely just want a top like this. It feels so good on. There's one nice easy link for you down below. You can also scan the QR code on screen. It will take you to everything in this video if you're watching from your TV or your iPad. Let me know what you have planned for this summer. Any special events, any vacations, any trips, any celebrations. I would love to hear. And we have got to keep the fun going. So click this video on screen now, thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.